Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we will be assembling a mining rig of 4 cards. It will go into this frame. It's some frame from US. I don't know exactly which model it is because I bought it secondhand. And then we have a random motherboard that supports 4 graphics cards. You can also put a PCI lane splitter to make it 6 or even, I don't know, 7, 8. But I won't need that since I'm using only 4 cards to this rig. So this will do just fine. Also bought it secondhand. Then we have this PCU ATX to power on the motherboard and some risers. And for the GPU powering, I will use the server PCU with the breakout board and PCIe cables. And this is my cat in the view. Then I have the fan hub. It goes 1 to 10, and since I have 4 slots here, 2 down there, I will use some 1500 RPM fans just for the view. So these will come in connected to this, and then you can only use one power cable to power all the fans with SATA. Then we have 4 risers. This 009S Plus armed risers, brand new, and some cables. So I think that's pretty much it. I will show you the cards later when we get to them, but probably you can tell from the title of this video. So let's get to the time lapse and put everything from here to here. Okay, so at this stage we have SSD over here. It's 60 gigabytes SATA SSD. We have the fan hub fitted here. It has double-sided adhesive at the bottom, so it's nice and steady here. We have 4 fans at the top, all connected to the fan hub, connected to the SATA, and on the same lane we have the SSD. Then we have 24 pin in, we have the CPU powered in, and now it came to the part where we need to install the risers and we need to install the graphics card, and then the server PCU. I believe it will go somewhere right here, just somewhere convenient so it could reach all the graphics cards and give power to them. So let's continue with unpacking and setting up the risers. For the GPUs, we have a couple of 3070 Ti's and one 3080 Ti. Those are all brand new. As you can see, those are sealed, so I will just unpack them, remove all the adhesives and the plastic covers, and get them ready for installation, because once we install the risers we will need the graphics cards, and then we can proceed with the PCU. So here they are, free 3070 Ti EVGA FW3 and one EVGA 3080. Okay, so we have all of them unwrapped, and now we can start assembling risers and putting them together into the rig. So I have quickly changed the location to its permanent place and also did some cable management. It's not perfect, but better than nothing. All the cards in place. I have the server PCU here, 2 wires going up here, powering 1 card. Then I have 1 wire going over here, and it's using a PCI splitter to 2 ports. Same here, because the wire doesn't have enough length to reach from here over to here, so I use the splitter to make that extra length. Risers in place. I have the LAN plugged in. This is all set up. Hive is already installed on the SSD. Pretty much it's ready to boot up and see how it goes. Okay, so fans are starting to stop, so that's a good sign. It means the boot happened. Everything seems to be lighting, all the RGBs on. Everything's pretty good so far. Let's jump onto the Hive screen and see if it's online. The hash rates varies from 60 to 63. Most of the time it's about 62, 61, and you can see the overclocks over here as well. I have run it for 3 days now. All the accepted ratio is perfectly fine, 100% accepted shares. I'm using T-Rex miner 024.8. This is the newest at the moment of filming this video. You can see other specs like power consumption. You can probably get a better power consumption, but that's just best settings that I currently have. If you have any better settings, just share those in the comments and let's help each other out. If I find any of your commented ones better, I will just highlight it, put it on top, and also maybe update the video to give better settings information to all of us. That makes sense. And yeah, here basically that's it. If you're interested, I'm currently mining on 2 miners pool. Do a video of it maybe in the future between Ethermine and 2 miners. I will compare those two pools with the same tech stack, with the same amount of cards in the rig on the same date, and see which one does better. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more because much more is coming up. I will do more reviews, I will build more rigs, I will review more cards. I will give you some information about LHR cars, about non-LHR cars, about the situation on the market. We'll try out different coins, different mining softwares. We'll try to mine Chia on the hard drives. We'll try to mine Helium on the Helium miners, and much more.